Hello everyone, Ashley Rainey here, Silver Premier Leader of my team, the Merry Potions, and have we got a kit deal for you? Have you ever thought about joining Posh? Have you ever thought, oh my gosh, I want something that's just for me, that makes me feel special, that makes everyone else feel special, and I absolutely love? Well, why not join Perfectly Posh? And there is not a better time to join than right now, because we just launched the most amazing kit you will ever see in your whole life. Are you ready? Are you excited? Just in time for the holidays, we have the best kit ever! Okay, first things first, you are getting an entire fizzy flat. That is 30 bath bombs. 30 bath bombs, all for you. You can either choose between You Apricot Me or Orange Dreamsicle. Both are so amazing and smell super duper fabulous. And you know what? You can sell these for $5 a piece, or you can give them out as holiday gifts. Whatever your heart desires, you get an entire flat of fizzies to do with what you want. I like to call this the one for you and one for me section, because you are getting 2 of each of these amazing winter products. They are straight out of our winter catalog, perfect for holiday giving, perfect for holiday selling, whatever you want to do with this kit. This has amazing stuff. One for you, one to sell. One for you, one to sell. These are our Holly Jolly chunks. This is our most popular holiday chunk. They're super amazing. They smell like warmed mold holiday pomegranate, pine, and clove. Every time I get one of these in my box, my Posh boxes, I open it up and it's the one thing that is like smelling up the entire box, and I love it so much. One for you, one for gifts, one for you, one to sell, make some money, give some gifts. Oh my Posh, amazing Holly Jolly chunks! You are also getting 2 of each of these amazing products, which I absolutely, I'm completely and utterly obsessed with. 'Tis the season to be freezing. You get the body polish, 2 of them, and you get the big fat yummy hand cream, 2 of them. Again, keep one, give one as a gift, keep one, make some beautiful gift sets to sell, whatever your heart desires. This kit has everything. And if you haven't smelled this, guys, it smells so good. It smells like a kiss of candy cane and vanilla with white winter musk. Oh my Posh, they're amazing. You get 2 hand creams, 2 body polishes. What? Next up, Young Love Body Cream. So good, you guys. This body cream has mega moisture. It's got powerful sodium hydrogenate blend, and it draws in and holds moisture. It smells really, really good. It's like this happy plum scent. You're gonna love it. So good. The next thing on the list, Santa's Little Healer. If you love our healer stick, you will absolutely love Santa's Little Healer. It's our original healer, which is an orange vanilla scent, and then this one has an extra essential oil of spearmint. So it has that lovely minty winter wonderland fragrance, and you're gonna love it. You are also getting 2 bags of Holly Jolly chunk samples. You can send them to your friends and family to get them hooked on Posh. You can put them in little gift sets with the fizzies. They're so cute with the fizzies, you guys. Little tiny mini chunk fizzy set. Amazing. You're getting 2 bags of that. That's 40 samples. So many. And of course, what consultant kit would be complete without our ritual face mask, which now comes in a tube. I've just been a consultant for that long. This is our exclusive consultant-only face mask. It's pink, it's amazing. I actually savor this thing and only use it for promotions and special occasions. That's how much I love it. We also have a very special thing that I have never heard of, but people who have been around Posh longer than me are obsessed with. It's called the Smoocheroo Lip Plumper, and that is also coming in your brand new November starter kit. Okay, last but not least, you see my lips? Mwah! You are getting an entire vial tri-tin of our gorgeous vial lip color. You are getting the primer, which you need. If you don't know about vial, it's super amazing. The primer has fermented date oil in it. You put the primer on, you let it sit, and then you put your color on. I am wearing Love the Wine You're With, And I'm topping it off with Oh My Fleck, which is that lovely gold fleck that you see on the top. You are getting an entire tri-tin of these gorgeous beauties, a long-lasting lip color that you're going to love. Now, this is all $360 worth of amazing Posh products you are getting for $99 plus tax and shipping. So you really cannot beat this amazing kit deal. Whether you want to build a Posh empire like I have, or sell to your friends and family, or get an extra discount on some gifts for the holiday season, or maybe just make some extra money for the holiday season, you cannot go wrong. It's the best $99 you will ever spend. I promise you, it changed my life. Go get yourself this new Posh kit. I'll talk to you later.